Here's Ryan Dean with the Your Stories Q&A.
Construction season is here, and that has us putting on a hard hat to answer your questions about road projects. Here we go. When will construction on the Taft Road Bridge over I-81 be completed? We've gotten this question a few times. This project is just north of the Syracuse airport. There's been lane shifts and closures in this heavily traveled area since last spring when work on the bridge actually started. The New York State DOT first said the $2 million bridge rehabilitation project would be completed at the end of last year, but supply chain issues forced repairs into this spring. The DOT says the current lane closures will be wrapped up in June, so hopefully you'll have a clear crossing this summer. Do you have a question for the Your Stories team? Email us your stories at localsyr.com. With the Your Stories Q&A, Ryan Dean, News Channel 9.